The Department of Migrant Workers faced scrutiny during a recent budget hearing with lawmakers expressing concerns over fees imposed over overseas Filipino workers. Questions were raised about the use of these funds, including the verification fee, and how they support the agency's programs. The story.
Officials of the Department of Migrant Workers or DMW were grilled by some lawmakers during the budget deliberation in Congress recently of the agency's proposed budget for next year. Lawmakers are criticizing some fees that OFWs have to pay before being allowed to leave the country, including the verification fee. But the DMW explained that
yun naman pong verification fee ay babayaran na lamang niya, let's say 2, 3, 4, 5 years later kapag siya'y kumita na ng halaga ng pera sa abroad. So hindi po yan sabay-sabay na binabayaran ng isang OFW. Kumbaga may spacing naman po yung pagbayad ng dalawang fees na yon.
DMW was also asked where the money they have collected goes to, including the placement fees they charge to money and recruitment agencies.
Ay gamitin yung verification fee collection sa pagtayo ng mga bagong migrant workers office. So, yun po ay sinasagawa na rin namin ngayon bilang kumbaga alleviation na rin nung paghingi namin ng karagdagang budget sa Kongreso.
The proposed budget of the DMW for next year is over 10.2 billion pesos, and a large part of the agency's funds will be allocated to support distressed OFW and in strengthening the repatriation program. The DMW will also request an additional 3.45 billion pesos for its sole attached agency, the Overseas Workers Welfare Administration or OWA. A large percentage of this will go to the enhancement of their services for their members. According to OWA's latest record, its active members have reached more than 1 million, and the largest number of them are land-based OFWs. The total membership collection raised by OWA has also exceeded more than 2 billion pesos. They will also allocate funds for the beautification of the OFW lounges at NAIA. According to OWA, more than 400,000 OFWs have been serviced by the OFW lounges, and OWA has allocated more than 60 million pesos for this.
Sana tulungan nila yung mga OFW na may mga problema sa ibang bansa. Dapat asikasuhin nila yung kasi kawawa. Dapat palakasin nila yung mga programa dyan sa mga OFW.
Tuloy-tuloy nila yung pag-open ng mga trabaho para sa mga manggagawa. Papa-job fair sila ng mas marami pa.
The agency's campaign against illegal recruitment and human trafficking was also discussed during the hearing. Bien Manalo from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.